Alright folks, this is a 2017 Honda Accord LX. We're going to do the cabin filter. Okay, this is a cabin filter. This is the best one they make at AutoZone. It's got a charcoal one. That's the one that's in there right now. It's a CAF 1781M. Like all cabin filters, they're found in the glove box. So, open the glove box. What I usually do here is I put a little masking tape in here to hold all the contents. Otherwise, you have to remove all the contents and hopefully you put it back in the position that the owners remember where they put all that stash. All right, over here, there's a little lever. Okay, got a little notch over here. You can see that you're just gonna push that down. Okay, it's like a little hook. Okay, see the hook? All right, just gonna push it down. Just compress the two sides here. There go all the other filters and glove boxes. All right, and it's gonna hang and it's gonna dangle down. All right, these are those little pieces that hang inside this little slot. So just grab it and just squeeze it in together. The cabin filter is found in here. Okay, the little pinch over here. You're gonna pinch this little piece here, and it'll come out right there in front of you. And there is the filter. Right, you can see it's a charcoal filter because it's got a little dark charcoal color as opposed to a regular white one. So you pull it out nice and carefully, and you're gonna see all the goodies that come with it. There you go. All right, it's pretty nasty, right? That's why we change them. All right. If you look at it, this one says the airflow is pointing down. Okay. So the new one has the same design, airflow pointing down. Okay, so the way it came out is the way it's going to go back in. All right, so I want to stick it in here and push it all the way through. It actually should go this way. Yeah, I think the other guy had it backwards. But anyway, okay, that's it. Airflow going down. Then you take a little cover. Where did I put that little cover? Right here. And it's going to snap right in. Okay. Snap, snap. It's in. Raise back the glove box door. Oops. See what happened? All the content stayed in. So that little piece there, we're going to hook it back on just by grabbing it. See if I can do it here like this. All right, that's it there. Just push this right in. Hold the little sides. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I'll do the side first. You know, I'm going to take the tape off first. You don't take the tape off first, then you're not going to be able to get the tape where you wrapped it behind there. All right, so let's see. We can do this with my one hand here. No, I'm going to use two hands and squeeze them together. All right, yeah, just grab one on each side, squeeze them together. Voila. Okay, that's it. Throw away your junk, clean up your mess, out the door. That's what the filter looks like. All right. Thanks for watching.